Hi friends, welcome everybody. Today we are going to discuss about project management body of knowledge. And now in this session we are planning to emphasize the project management knowledge areas and process. See, for all project management professionals who are referenced to project management body of knowledge, it is summarizing that there will be a set of knowledge areas and process for a project. And now, based on the knowledge areas and process defined by PMBOK, we developed a special typical diagram and it is named as JH Project Management Wheel Process and Knowledge Areas. See here, we are starting the project wheel in the green color outer border here, and it is slowly changed into yellow, red, blue and gray. See, the whole things shown in the outer wheel are the process. It is shown here, the green colored one is concept and initiation of a project, and this yellow color one is the planning phase. Planning and scheduling is coming over here. And this session, it's a starting phase and it is a just starting phase to the starting phase into execution level. See, the red area is totally the hot region of the process. It is launch and execution of a project. In this session, we are thinking about how those activities we planned can be implemented without any variance or deviation. And this process is slowly moving into the control and monitoring phase of the process, which is shown in blue in color. And after proper controlling and monitoring, the project phase is moving into the gray region, that is the project closure level. And now we have to think about the whole process. It comes from initiation, planning and scheduling, execution, control and monitoring up to the closure level. See the inner circle of project management wheel. It is shown the knowledge areas within the project, and the whole knowledge areas are undergoing the process shown in the outer wheel. And the first one is project integration management. And from this project integration management, the whole inner wheel showing the 10 knowledge areas including scope management, time management, cost management, quality management, HRM, communications management, risk management, procurement management, stakeholder management. And see, here in the scope management, we have to define thoroughly what are the scopes within the project, and these scopes thoroughly defines and we are defining the time. It is very important inside a project. While considering the time management, we will think about the planning phase and how it will be executed within the time frame. And the same level of time management, we have the more importance to the next knowledge area, cost management. See here in project cost management, the first phase is regarding the estimate, and at the time of execution level, we have to analyze what's the variance just like end value analysis. We have to calculate the schedule variance, and we have to analyze whether the project is ongoing as per the estimated budgets. So the cost management is very important, and whatever be the things we discussed in scope, time and cost management, it should be under high level of quality. Due to the same reason, everybody is thinking about total quality management and quality assurance policies. From the initiation level, we have to discuss the planning, what are the quality standards we have to conform. According to those quality standards, how we can plan the activities, and during the execution period, how we can assure these quality policies. And for all these knowledge area and the time of implementation, without HR module, we could not do anything. So HR management, human resource management, is one of the fundamental things within the project. Without proper allocation of resources, we could not do anything. So while coming over in this knowledge area HRM, we have to think about it is slowly mean only the resources. After human resources, the next one is material resources, and the other one is stakeholders. That means money. Who is involved in the project? And what about the cost, and who is involving on cost coming under stakeholder? And see, this one is communication. Within these resources, without communication, we could not do anything. So while coming in this session of communication, while going through the process in the outer circle, we have to see, while initiation level, we have to define what all are the communication channels and how we have to plan the communication. And during the execution phases, how can we take the reports, how can we take the database management, everything up to the closure level. We have to think about the final reports. Altogether, we have to think the risk within the project. That is the 10th one within the knowledge area, risk management. Altogether, it has to be an integration. It will be integrated. Thus, it has to be implemented. And while coming over here, which one is the most important knowledge area within this? No doubts, it is integration management. While coming to integrate, we have to integrate scope, time, cost, quality, HRM, communications, risk, procurement, and stakeholders. All together tied up in the integration management, and we are moving into the process on the outer circle. Thus, we are getting a green signal of the process to start. This phase is concept and initiation phase. And next it is moved into the yellow region, planning and scheduling. After that, it is moving into the red colored region. It is launch and execution of the project. During this period of launch and execution, in all projects, we are going to implement the action plan as per the schedule. Within the schedule, there will be a plan start and plan finish. Accordingly, we are implemented the project, and the next phase is the blue color region. It is control and monitoring. Within this region, we have to monitor, and all data has to be input into our database, and finally it has to be analyzed and moving into the last stage of project closure. It is the gray region. simply, if we are connecting to those inner circle and outer circle, what we can see is so simple. Without the knowledge area, we could not do anything within the process. So, as a project management professional, we have to sharpen our knowledge base, and according to project management body of knowledge, definitely we have to improve the knowledge area, and it is specified into 10 number of knowledge areas as shown in this inner circle. And while coming over into the outer region, this knowledge area has to be integrated and it has to be connected to the process, and the outer circle is altogether managing the process. And see, regarding our next session, what we are going to be discussed regarding the project integration, and the main project integration tool is this one, the project charter. On the coming session, we are planning to discuss much more about project charter and how to prepare a project charter, how it has to be implemented. All these things we have to discuss on our coming session on coming Wednesday. Thank you. Thank you very much.